How to make font size bigger on Android. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your font size and make it bigger. If you're having trouble looking at text in your phone, making your font size bigger will definitely help. So let's see how you can do it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is open your settings menu and you are going to find your display settings. So just tap on display. And from here, if you scroll a bit down, you will see an option or the setting for font size and style. Just tap on it. And it will vary depending on your device. So you might have a different setting, but in general, you just want to find the font size. And now you just want to increase. So if there are any numbers, you just want to increase the number. In my phone, I have this slider. So I'm just going to take my slider and increase the size. And as you can see, the size has increased. So if I just go back on my settings menu, you will see everything is now just bigger and easier to see. And that's how you can change your font size and increase your size of the text on your Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on no post notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.